Okay, so the first string is obviously the easy one to get because that's the first thing you encounter if you're sort of on the edge here. So it's a little bit intimidating, the idea of getting to the second string and the second string alone and not the first or the third string, which are either side, and inevitably you probably will bash those strings, and that's fine. Particularly when you start, 'cause you need to build up that muscle memory and then you'll be able to home in on the second string. So it's going to be probably something like this to begin with. Bit of the first string in there, maybe a bit of the third as well, but soon you'll be able to do this. And the thing to do is, it's fine to look at your hands, but try and let your ears do the work. Okay, so just do this. So that's obviously the first string, but you want this one. So maybe you want to look into the middle distance and just let your ears figure it out, your ears and your fingers. And then try going from the first to the second. Tendency will be to tighten up, okay, and I've been playing for years and years, and I'm still always a little bit tight when I just start. And the thing to do is just allow yourself to relax. And fiddle players use a term called getting lined up. That's just finding out where their fingers need to go. We do the same thing on the banjo. So once you've kind of sorted out where those first and second strings are, then really concentrate on getting a little bit of distance and looseness from the head of the banjo. Bit of height in there. But whatever you do, don't do this. Try and creep up on it. I mentioned this in the previous video. If you do that, that'll really slow you down. In fact, you're not getting there at all. The analogy I would make, it's rather like a dart player walking up to the dartboard and pushing the dart into the bullseye instead of throwing it. It's not proper claw hammer. It's not claw hammer at all. It's upside down finger picking, and you're not going to get the right sound if you do that. So it's very important that you're prepared to have it being a bit messy, a bit brushy, and trust that your finger will find the right string, and it will.